Hey, how's it going? So, as you know, unfortunately, the majority of the best movie and TV shows applications were blocked or just stopped working on Amazon Fire Stick devices. So today I'll show you the best alternative, which still does work in 2026. The whole process will be pretty easy and it's gonna take you just a couple of minutes. Now, the very first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search, open it up, and start typing Downloader in a search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is the app, which you gotta get. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to Settings. Here we are. I'll access them through that menu. Then you open the settings, and now it's time to go to My Fire TV. Click on it, and then you'll need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to installation of the unknown apps. And from here, you just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps, which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we get back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick, and here is the app which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They've got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do here in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Latvia right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back to a list of apps in your device, locate Downloader, and let's open it up. So you open it. Here we go, it has finally opened. Then at the top, you'll find a search bar. Let's click on it. And now it's time to enter a code. So the code is going to be 10357772. Once again, it is 10357772. That is the code you will need to enter. Then just click on next, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has finally started. Usually that it takes just a couple of seconds, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. So we got the app, then we click on the installation button right here, and let's give it a moment. After it is installed, no need to click open yet, it's better to press done, because that way you'll get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. And then we get back to a list of apps on your device. So we open it, and usually the new application should appear somewhere here in a couple of moments. However, as you see in my case, the app did not appear. So it means that in order to access the app, we'll go to the settings, open it up, then we go to the applications right here, click on the applications, go to manage installed apps, and now you will need to locate this new application which we got. You'll locate it, click on launch application, and it's going to go live. And of course, when using such applications, don't forget to keep your VPN connected to ensure you are safe and out of trouble online. Once again, if you do not have a VPN yet, then just use my link below or go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN free of charge. And so enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.